Well, good morning. Just capturing the fun and the noise of a practical session in the workshop on our box making activities. They're doing our stuff. We've got students coming around and making the final assembly of the boxes. One or two of them still on the shaping. Nice for a Friday morning. And then we're just moving on to the final part, which is making the plugs for each end of the handle to go on the sides. I have given the students instruction, hopefully, on the safe use of the lathes. Hopefully you can see that precision coming out when they're using the lathes. The right speed. Right, so what are you doing exactly? Special kind of hole? Why? Right in the centre of the floor. Fortunately, Timothy here has already been banned from the workshop for one term for him not being safe, and now he's misusing equipment. So, pardon? Alright, Timothy did a good way of doing it around the edge of the things, but they're just making noise on purpose. And an inspection of the tools going on as well, so having a good time. And yeah, Timothy, you actually inspired, although he has been a problem, he actually inspired us to make much neater corners on here using the edge of the vise, and it's really helped everybody that. So, yeah, contribution. But it's together, we can just get those rough edges filed off rather than bang. Okay, so that's them all working, and that's Friday at IRA College. Have a good time, be nice to each other.